Hi guys, quick teardown today of this Bulgarian made military talkie-walkie or transceiver. It must be for military and security forces probably. So it is a Tantal transceiver. I got it from eBay a few years ago. I believe it was almost free. Very little price. So as you can see, it is a handheld unit. We have a nice aluminium box here. On the top, very simple controls. The plug for the headset, probably, or microphone and loudspeaker set. Two potentiometers, probably for volume and squelch. Channel selector up to, we have 6 channels from 0 to 5, or maybe it is 5 channels and the 0 is off position. It is possible. Then the antenna plug, holders here for a strap. So on the bottom here we have the battery, which opens like so. Two negative contacts and one positive contact. And here we have the information, if you can see it. So the manufacturer logo, electron it seems, with a little electron orbiting an atom. The model number, and written in Cyrillic, made in Bulgaria. On the other side we have a chart with channels and the serial number. Seems it is from 1989. Here you can see the thickness of the box, quite nice. So first we will have a look in this very crusty battery pack. It contains button type nickel cadmium elements, I believe. So just a little view and look inside, because I cannot open it completely for some reason. So here is what we have. As you can see, it is quite a mess. Really. They are in very, very sad condition, these battery elements. But when you pull it after it, it is quite difficult to close it again, but it requires some work to get it closed again. I will do it later. As you can see, really, or maybe I will remove the elements anyway, as they are completely toast. If there is only one in a quite good condition, I will keep the better one, but I think I will remove the battery elements and close the box empty. It will be less heavy, like so, as it's very, very rusty and crispy. Look at this, this one is even opening here with nuclear contents spreading of cadmium and nickel and nasty things. So I think it will be, I will remove them. Okay, so after this, the inside of the radio, we have just to remove these two screws here. Excuse me for the kids outside, they are very, very noisy. So, here is what we have. Here is the inside of the box. So, we have two circuit boards. with lots of these small shieldings. I did remove one of them here, and it seems we have little hybrid modules. So about the components, this red ceramic capacitor seems to be Russian made. This blue capacitor, they seem to be maybe made in Czechoslovakia or something like this. Then we have the resistors here. They are typically from Eastern Germany, as they look like Eastern German resistors. The capacitors look quite regular, in fact. Brand is KIA. I believe they may be from Yugoslavia or some former East Bloc country. Here we have the main selector switch. As you can see, it is a rotary switch with several layers. Quite a regular design, in fact. Maybe on a western part, but I don't think so. It must be made in no clue. There is a brand here written in Cyrillic at the back, if you can see. Not easy. On all the other parts, the transistor seems to be made in Western Germany, Eastern Germany also. And apart from that, we have nothing spectacular, in fact. Here is probably the main power amplifier transistor for emitting. High frequency transistor. We have here a set of coils in shieldings, and then all these boxes contains such red hybrid modules. Other side is the same. We have here maybe a frequency oscillator, quartz oscillator. So what I can see, there are hinges here. So it seems it is possible to lift. Yes, like so, the circuit boards to access the backside. And yes, we can see the transistor is a Soviet one here, the power transistor. So the backside, probably handmade, hand-drawn PCB tracks. Hand-soldered also, a nice conformal coating. Here we have a piece of cardboard and the other PCB. As you can see, there are holes for these coils in order to be able to set the coil from either side when you are repairing the thing. Okay, so here small trimmers. The box, they seem to be in a transistor case. This is quite fun. And well, it is all for this thing, in fact. There is not much to see in this. The quality of the construction is not really impressive on this thing. It is not really fancy. The faceplate here, you can see this weird paint with it seems gray, but in fact it is lots of little whites and black dots. Really weird. And this connector here is a quite high quality connector. It is a aircraft or space grade, in fact. Not a bad one. The wires seems to be made in seems to be Soviet kind of wire with Teflon coating. And well, here we are for this thing. I will put it back together and I will deal with nastiness now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.